Hey you guys, so today I'm going to be doing my left hand. I'm doing a nude look for Valentine's Day with some gold foil. Start with just pushing back the cuticles. And I do have some acrylic left over from my last set, so don't mind that. Then I'm just going to kind of get some of the oil off the tips of my nails to apply the nail tips. And I'm not doing the whole nail yet because I don't want to overfile my nails when I go to blend in the tip. Dust those off. And today's nail tips are the Cosmo Low C Curve. These are very flat nails, but I like the shape of them, so that's why I'm using those today. And then of course I'm going in with my IBD brush on glue. Let's get into this giveaway, you guys. The first winner will be receiving a box of nail supplies and a gift card. And the winner is Ari Mateo. She says, yay, congratulations on 5K. Been here since the beginning, by the way. I am currently a nail enthusiast. Been watching videos for 2 years. Only thought I would be doing it as a hobby, although you inspired me to go to school and actually make it as a career. So I just want to say congratulations, girl. Make sure that you message me on Instagram within the next 24 hours so that I can get all of your information to send you your supplies. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. And I cannot wait to see all that you accomplish in your nail journey. This brush deserves an honorable mention. This is the most inexpensive brush I have ever purchased, and it is amazing quality. I've had no issues whatsoever. I highly recommend this if you are on a budget, so check out the link in my description box and snag you one. So building your nail, your acrylic application needs to be down packed, of course. I highly do not recommend using the 1-ball method. I recommend the 3-ball method for beginners, and for me, my opinion, it just builds a more consistent apex. But the real key to a consistent acrylic application is your liquid to powder ratio. You want to make sure it's not too dry, but you also want to make sure it's not too wet. You can see here that I can let it sit for a few seconds, do whatever I need to do, but when I go to work with it, it's going to do exactly what I want it to do. So make sure that you guys are practicing that. You can get you a liquid to powder ratio practice sheet. Just put, a little plastic cover over the paper, and you can just reuse that over and over until you get your ratio down. Alright, to cap your acrylic and designs, I do use 1 ball for this, and that's just so that it's not thick. I know that a lot of people recommend you build your apex with your clear powder, but from my own experience and personal opinion, the nail begins to look like a globe if it is too thick. So I prefer to go in with my colored acrylic and then just use a thin layer of clear to cap everything. To finish filing, I recommend doing this first, going in with a fine drill bit, sealing the cuticle area, and of course, removing the bulk from your free edge. I feel like when you're doing your finish filing, this helps remove any excess acrylic that may deceive you into thinking you have to file more. So just get the desired shape and thickness before you start finish filing. Okay guys, our second giveaway winner is going to receive a Visa gift card, and the winner is Kaylee Marin. She says, I am just about a year into my nail journey. My dream is to have my own little nail suite in the Bolingbrook area just south of Chicago. Right now, I have an area in my guest room. Started this journey right after my brother was killed because I was doing real estate and I was going deeper into a hole. I've never loved doing something as much as I love doing nails. Thanks for this giveaway and good luck to the winner. So congratulations, Kaylee. I'm sorry to hear about your brother, but I am elated to know that you have found something that brings you joy. I hope that this gift card helps you in any way that you need. And make sure that you inbox me on Instagram within the next 24 hours to claim your prize. Okay everyone, this is the finished look. If you did not win today's giveaway, make sure you tune in for future giveaways because there will be plenty more. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Again, my name is Rebecca and I hope to see you soon.